Take a ride in the 2019 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, heated front seats, front bucket seats. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.